Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Choose a quiet spot with good lighting and a reliable internet connection. Position your device on a stable surface at eye level. Gather charger, headphones, notebook, pens, and an extra battery pack. Close unrelated tabs and put phone on silent mode to avoid distractions. Test Zoom audio and camera at least 10 minutes before class starts. Join early to confirm screen sharing and recording permissions with the instructor. Use Zoom chat or click the raise hand button for questions to stay engaged. Mute yourself when not speaking and unmute only to contribute to the discussion. Take structured notes using headings and timestamps for each topic covered in class. Use short bullets and highlight action items or assigned readings instantly. Record sessions only with permission and label files by date and topic for easy retrieval. Ask for clarification immediately when a concept seems unclear to avoid later confusion. Review your notes within 24 hours and add any missing details from the recording. Summarize key concepts in one page and create a study checklist for focused revision. Turn headings into flashcards or short questions to test recall quickly. Schedule short review sessions of 25 to 30 minutes every 2 days for spaced repetition. Organize files in folders labeled by course, date, and topic for fast access. Share summaries with classmates to compare understanding and fill knowledge gaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.